Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about PDP and CPPD, Plant Design and Project Engineering, unit number 8, depreciation part. Okay, તો એમાં જોઈશું આપણે ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ડિપ્રિસિએશન મેથડ હું જોઈશું જેમાં અલગ અલગ ટાઈપ્સ હશે સિંકિંગ ફ્રન્ટ મેથડ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન મેથડ ડિપ્રિસિએશન કોને કહેવાય એના ટાઈપ જોઈશું. ઓકે, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે ડિપ્રિસિએશન પાર્ટ યુનિટ નંબર 9. નાવ simply discussion part. Analysis of cost of profit for any business operation require recognitions of the fact that physical assets and decrease in the value with age. This decrease in value may be due to the physical depreciation, okay, in the technological advance, economic changes, or other factor which ultimately will cause retirement of the property. The reductions in value due to the any cost of this cause is a measure of the depreciation. The economic functions of depreciation part therefore can be employed as a means of distributing the original expenses for a physical assets over the period during which the assets in the, is in use, because the engineer thinks of depreciation as a measure of the decreases in a value of the property with a time. Depreciation can immediately be considered from a cost of the viewpoint. For example, suppose a pieces of the equipment had been put into the use 10 years ago at a total cost of 32,000. સિમ્પલી તમે કોઈ બી બાઇકને પરચેસ કરો છો તેનો કોસ્ટ કેટલો થાય એના પર ડિપેન્ડન્ટ રહીશ. ઓકે, હવે સિમ્પલી કીધું છે કે હેઝ બીન ટોટલ કોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ 32,000 and the equipment is now worn out and is worth only $1,000 as a scrap material. The decrease in a value of during the 10-year period is 30,000. However, the engineers recognize that this $30,000 is in a reality of cost incurred for the use of the equipment. This depreciation cost was scrapped over a period of 10 years, and sound economic procedure would require the part of this cost to be charged in the each of the years the part of the applications. Okay, this is simply discussion part, depreciation and the applications. The applications of the depreciation in engineering part, designing, accounting and tax studies is almost always on the cost protected throughout the life of the property, and the meaning of the value from the viewpoint of the design engineer. The total cost due to depreciation is original or new value of the property minus the value of the same property. At the end of this depreciation period, the original value is usually taken as the total cost of the property at the time it is ready for initial use. In engineering design practice, the total depreciation period is ordinarily assumed to be the length of the property, its useful life, and the value of the end of the useful life is assumed to be the probability scrap or a salvage value of the components making up the particular property. It should be noted, and the engineer cannot wait unit the end of the depreciation part period to determine the depreciation cost. This is to the cost may be protected throughout the entire life of this property, and the must be included as an charge of the operating cost during each year. The property's value and the end of the depreciation part, the total length and the length. The depreciation period cannot be known with certainty when the initial year the costs are determined, the consequently it is necessary to be estimate the final value of the property as well as its useful life. In estimating property life, the various factors which may be affected the useful life period, such as wear and tear, economic changes, or possible technologies advances, should be taken into consideration part. When the depreciation cost is not used in a prostate or cost sense, various meaning associated, one of the things meaning involve the applicable how to be initial cost and final values, initial and simply final values find out કરવાની છે તે. Now the difference between the estimate cost of the new equivalent, how to find out the value and the property and the approximated values of this present asset is known as the appraised depreciation part. And this concept involves the determination of the values of two assets at one date as compared with the engineering cost concept, which required determinations of the value of the one assets at the two different times. This basis. Now, the purpose of depreciation as a cost. કે કેટલો કોસ્ટ લાગી શકે ના પર. Okay, the consideration of depreciation as a cost permits realistic evaluation of profit earned by a company aid. Therefore, to provide a basis for determinations of cost, federal income taxes. Simultaneously, the consideration part of depreciation as a cost provide means whereby funds are set aside for this problem regularly to provide recovery of the invested capital. When the account the deal with the depreciation part, the must follow the certain rules are established by one of the use the internal revenue for determinations of income taxes, and these rules deals with the allow life for a depreciated equivalent determinations of income taxes. This rule deals with allowance for life of depreciation. Now, this equipment was carried out in this formation for a depreciation part. હવે કોઈ બી ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ છે ને આપણે પરચેસ કરીએ છીએ એની કિંમત છે 32,000 રૂપિયા. આફ્ટર 10 યર પછી એને આપણે 1,000 કિંમતમાં ઘટાડો થાય છે. The part is a simple depreciation. Okay, when accounted deals with the depreciation part, they must follow the certain rules which are established by the US. Okay, although the procedure for a depreciation part accounting can be adapted for an internal company evolution, it is highly desirable to keep away from this formation. Okay, the necessary of maintaining two sets to accounting the books. Therefore, the engineers should be familiar with the federal regulation part relative to depreciation and should follow this regulation part as closely as possible in evaluating depreciation part as a cost. Okay, now this is the types of depreciation part. Most important છે GTOમાં 3 માર્ક્સમાં કે 4 માર્ક્સમાં પૂછી શકાય છે. The cause of the depreciation part in a two types, functional depreciation and a second one is a physical depreciation. In the term given to this measure of this formation, decreases in value due to the charge in the physical aspect. Okay, physical aspect to the property wear and tear for a corrosion accidents part, and deteriorations due to the age or the elements are all this cause of physical depreciation. With these types of depreciation, and the serviceability of the property is reduced because of the physical changes. Part of the depreciation to all these other causes is known as the functional depreciation. One common types of functional depreciation is obsolescence. This is caused by the technological advances. Any other devices? Okay, and the development which make an existing formation. Property obsolete formations. Property has affected no physical changes. Its economically serviceability is reduced because it is a interior provide. How to improve types of these similar assets that have been made available throughout the advertisement and advertisement each technology na basis पर है. Now, the other causes of functional depreciation part. First one, the change in demand for this service rendered by this property, such as the decreases in the demand for the product involved because of the saturation of the marketing, shift of population center, change in the requirement of public authority, and the inadequacies of this insufficient capacities for the required terminations of the need for the types of services, and this formation abandonment of the enterprises. All this sometimes of the simulations may be the completely unrelated to the property. It is used in the convenient to groups them all under the heading of functional depreciation, because the depreciation is measured by the decreases values. It is necessary to considerable all the possibilities, because when determining depreciation, physical losses are easier to evaluate than functional losses, but both of these must be taken into the account in order to make fair allowance for depreciation part. Okay. Now, the depletions. What is the depletions? The capacity loss due to the material actually consumed is measured as depletion, and the cost equal to the initial cost times the ratio of amount of the material and used to original amount of material purchases. These types of depreciation is particularly applicable to natural resources such as the stands of a timber or mineral and oil deposits. The simply the cost of effective terms, cost of for maintenance and repair કેટલો લાગે છે એના માટે જોઈશું, and for maintenance and requirement some repair, and how to be keeping the property in a good conditions, and this formation about for any જે equipment છે એના cost પર dependent રહેશે. Some priority about from this formation, and the parts of the priority, the cost for maintenance part, and the repair due to this direction cost, operating cost, expense the must be paid from the income, and property output to be increases, and this cost should be confused with the depreciation part, depreciation cost, and the extended of the maintenance and the repairs may be have a effect on a depreciation change cost of, because useful life of any property how to be increases, it is kept in the good conditions part. The definitive distinction should be always be made between the cost for depreciation and cost for a maintenance અને રિપેરનો પાર્ટ. સર્વિસ લાઈફ, તો કોને કહીશું સર્વિસ લાઈફ? ધ પીરિયડ ડ્યુરિંગ ધ યુઝ ઓફ અ પ્રાયર પ્રોપર્ટી. બોથ ફિઝિકલ અને ફંક્શનલ ડિપ્રિસિએશન પાર્ટ છે. હવે ધ પીરિયડ ડ્યુરિંગ યુઝ ઓફ અ પ્રોપર્ટી ઇઝ ઇકોનોમિકલી ફિઝિબલ રેન્જ. Okay, simply this is a part for a during the period. Okay, economically feasibly is known as the service life. Okay, other priority for both physical. Okay, important definitions છે. Okay, now salvage values definitions પાર્ટમાં જોઈશું આપણે. ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ amount of money attainable from the scale of used property over and above this any changes removal of the sale, એને કહીશું આપણે સેલ્વેજ વેલ્યુ. પ્રેઝન્ટ વેલ્યુ કોને કહીશું? તો પ્રેઝન્ટ વેલ્યુ એસેટ વેલ્યુ. The asset is the conditions at the time of evaluations. Now book value, difference between the original cost of the property, all allowance depreciation change made to date is defined as the book value. And the market value, the prince which could be obtained for an asset. It is where placed on the sale in the open market. Is designed as the market value. The use of this term to conveys the idea the asset is in good conditions and that the buyer is readily available. Now the represent value, this one, cost of the necessary to release an existing property at any given the time of the at least equally capable of rendering the same service is known as the replacement value. Okay, thank you so much.